Good afternoon in the afternoon from almost Santorini, Greece. So today we got to sleep in and we came to have some food because we're making our way to the port of Santorini. Well, it's not really a port, right? We're going to take the little boats and then they're going to take us to where we're going to do the excursion. And it's going to be how do you pronounce the word? I don't even know what that is. So it's a little boat, and then it's gonna take us around the island, and then they're gonna let us go for a swim. And even if it's cold, I'm going to swim because I'm here and I'm gonna do it. And I'm not gonna be thinking, oh my God, I should have gone for a swim. But I am going to be taking you guys along and showing you this excursion in case you guys come and explore of the seas. You have the chance to check out this excursion and hopefully do it with your friends and family. We got off the ship. The ship doesn't dock at the port as I thought it would, but they're going to take us on an excursion around Santorini. We're not going to the actual island except for a barbecue and for drinks. They're gonna have beer, they're gonna have wine. Probably this would be a good time to taste wine.
What's your step when you go inside? Because the weather is moving.
So we have made it to the part of the boat where we're going to go for a swim. So I'm going to show you guys, but this part right here is active volcano, and then on the other side there's a little bit of grass. That's the part that's, well, obviously not active volcano. I have more videos coming up on Italy, Greece, and Croatia. I'm going to be uploading a lot of videos. I'm also linking the playlist for this cruise down in the info box.
Oh, you're leaving. Bye. Bye-bye.
The water here, it has sulfur. So for us to get back on the boat, they have to wash us, and then they tell you if you have a skin condition or if you have if you're pregnant or if you have any type of condition, then they don't recommend for you to get on the water.
Go for it.
They're gonna serve the food at this spot. I actually thought we were going for a barbecue, like somewhere else, like off the boat, but they're grilling on the boat. They had the option of pork, chicken, and vegetarian, and then Sandy and I think Sandy's gonna get chicken. You guys know I don't eat chicken, so I'm gonna get the pork, and I've had soda already, although they don't give you ice.
Okay, the food is ready. Dolmadakja great split stuff with rice. Pita bread.
So, soda, this is a potato salad, pork, tomato salad, grape leaves, delicious. I have these back home all the time. Cheese, lemon, yummy, yummy. This is the main part, the main island of Santorini. But for dinner time, you always bring something a little bit more dressy. Usually it's like that. Ooh, this looks really yummy. This is a gazpacho. This is cold. So this is a Spanish soup. Let me know in the comments if you've had it before. And this you have on a hot summer day. It's cold and it's really, really yummy. Mr. Sandy?
When in Greek.
When in Greece.
You get a Greek salad.
This is a salmon that I ordered. Looks really, really good. The presentations are the best here. And Sandy had this. Ooh. Oh wow, Sandy.
It's later.
2 minutes later. Oh my God. Okay. Was it good?
Yeah, that was good.
It was flavorful. I've noticed that the food here is really, really good. This has been the best food I've had on a cruise, honestly. So what did you get for dessert, Sandy?
I forgot what is hazelnut.
Oh, that's the hazelnut I talked about. Oh, I have to taste it. And it has ice cream. Yum yum. Panna cotta.
This is whipped cream.
This is delicious. Today they have my favorite bread, which is this one. And then they serve this at the table every time. You get it with nice. Okay, you get it with butter. Love that. Yum yum. Wow. Which one is that one?
Your main.
The main. I'm also getting that one, right? Okay. Let's take an up close. Yum. And this is the French onion soup. This is the actual appetizer. Sandy, what did you get?
Steaks and fries.
This is what I got, the salmon. Looks yummy. This looks so yummy. Oh my god. Sandy, you're having a carrot cake. Carrot cake itself is delicious. We're gonna talk about the science behind all the food that's available inside the cruise, and then because there's a lot, you know. So just so you guys have an idea, when we were on Jewel of the Seas with also Royal Caribbean, what they do is that at every port, well, most ports, that's where they load and they unload the food. Now, the amount of food, especially with the amount of people, and the fact that they have buffets everywhere, and then you come here and it's unlimited, it's just mind-blowing that on a cruise ship they can do all of this. And not only that, it's just it's a floating city. This cruise is humongous. I'm telling you, it's to the point that I haven't gotten seasick. I got seasick at Norwegian Epic and I got seasick at Jewel of the Seas, but at this one I haven't, because it's such a big ship that you don't feel the, I don't know, like the cruise doesn't move. I think it has to be, well, I don't want to say it because, you know, then we're gonna be like I don't want to jinx it.
2.5 hours later.
2.5 hours later, I'm sick. If you guys ever want to do an excursion, like, or if you guys want to travel, the best way and my favorite way of doing it is with a cruise, because I know this is a slogan from Viking, spend more time being there than getting there, but that's the true meaning of a cruise if you think about it. And I don't know, I think it's just it's the best when you come on a cruise ship. You have restaurants, you have buffets, and then you can get deals online, and it's really not that expensive. Where it gets expensive is if you guys like just come as one person. And then obviously when you're on the cruise, like, you can get deals, like you can add on excursions, you can just get off the ship if you don't want to do an excursion and just do it on your own. But it's a lot of fun, guys. Like, cruise ships are the best. Here is the dessert. So Sandy's a copycat. He got the same thing. Right, Sandy? Let me see. Try it. Is it good? Yum. I hope that you guys loved this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I recently went on a cruise through Italy, Greece, and Croatia, and I'm uploading the videos here on YouTube. I would love it if you would subscribe. I have lots of tips, and I take you all around the cities where the ship docked. I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.